Hi Fashionistas, welcome to a fashion world. Thank God it's Friday. Let us wrap up things for this month of February, which happens to be on Friday, with the best of African fashion. Let us wrap up this month on a fabulously gorgeous note. Don't mind the crack in my voice, I've been battling with colds for a few days now, and as they say, the show must definitely go on, and that is why I'm still up and doing, trying to give you the best of African fashion to end of the month of February and wrapping up things being a Friday, which tomorrow most definitely is going to be weekend, Saturday, and on weekends is always full of the hive of activities, and we want to inspire you with this gorgeous, fabulous, stunningly stylish best of African fashion in lace, Ankara fabrics. And trust me, the styles are highly gorgeous, and you are most definitely going to find it highly irresistible for your sight to behold. As usual, sit back, relax, and get yourself thrilled and stunned with what we have come through for you today in this very video from the beginning to the end, and most definitely you will be glad you did. All props and credits in this video goes to those highly creative, highly resourceful fashion designers who are behind these terrific styles rolling by on your screen. Kudos to them. Enjoy this lovely video. Leave your thoughts below in the comment section. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, today should be another opportunity for you in the end of the month of February. Please hit on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your post notification for you to always get notified anytime we drop a video like this on this platform. Leave your thoughts below in the comment section and share this video with family and friends for us to spread the trend of African dresses and styles across the world. My name is BJ, a fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African print designs, and also an ambassador of African fashion. Wishing you happy new month in advance, and also wishing you a lovely fun-filled weekend. I'll see you at the end of the video. Thank you.
I don't wanna tie you up now. I don't wanna do the thing. I don't wanna have you, baby. I just wanna have a fling. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah. Tell me what you wanna do. Give me everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low. Wanna get low. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Ooh. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Make me uncomfortable. Wow. The only thing I need tonight, you're gonna give it to me right. Give me everything that you got to give. Baby, show me the light. Wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Now I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy.
for watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we've brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.